How to create an account in Blackmagic Design where the DaVinci Resolve software is available. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official Blackmagic Design website at blackmagicdesign.com. Once you are there, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see the login button with the cloud icon. Click on it. After the page loads, select Create a free account. Once you click on it, a form will appear asking for your details. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, country, password, and other required information. After you fill out everything, click on Sign Up. This will complete your registration and your account will be created automatically. Now you need to verify your email. To do this, open your mailbox and there will be an email from Blackmagic Design. Open it. Now, click on Activate your Blackmagic Cloud account. You have now successfully verified your email. And that's it. Now you know how to create account in Blackmagic Design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.